Hi, how are you guys? Today we are talking about a new video here, how we can change our background video. There's two programs here do this job. It's totally free. Number one, it's called Zoom. Number two, it's called Cisco Webex meeting. Let's see how we can change our background, how we can do that without having a green screen. Please watch the video to the end. I will learn you a new trick so you can stream your videos to YouTube or to store it on your device with a very awesome background. Let's see how to do this. Let's go to our computer to see how we can do this. First, go to your browser, whatever it is, and search for Zoom. First, search result. Please sign up. It's not a free program. When you sign up, sign in. After you sign in, download the program from here. Resource, download Zoom client. Go to resources and download Zoom client program for Windows if you have, for Linux, for Mac, for Android. It's free. It's totally free. When you sign up and sign in, please open the program and press new meeting. From video here, choose your camera or webcam. From here you can go to choose virtual background and choose from here background filters. Choose any background you want to say it's solid color here, say it's green grass or something. It's go to office here. Now I change my background because I have a green screen. But if you don't have a green screen and your computer having a minimal required for this program from i3 generation 4 or i5 computer or laptop, it will work very well without a green screen. This living room work very well. You can add a custom image from here. Go to my background a bit. Choose whatever you want. It must be a GBG extension photo or DNG extension photo. You can download from internet and use it as a background program. But the best program I prefer for streaming or streaming video. And now you can choose pick the color for your green screen. Maybe you have a blue screen or something. Maybe you have a magenta screen. So you can pick the color from the screen itself. When I use this, if I have a white curtains or something, I just point on it. Let's have the dark one and press OK. So you have a background picture without having a green screen, and you can use filters, whatever you want, white and black, something like that, as you can record Studio Effect Beta. If you want eyebrows, or if you want a mustache, or if you want the lips, let's try one here. I think it's very well programmed, but I love Cisco Webex. The preferred program I like for changing my background video. It names Cisco Webex Meeting. It's a free program. Please search it in Google, and the first search result you can download it from here. When you download it, just sign in with your email and open the program. And just press start meeting. Now, as you see, it's not my actually my background. If I choose none here, this is my original background. It's a blue screen. You can change your background whatever you want, depending on your clothes or your haircut or something. Let's try this. I think it's good. This one not good resolution photo. You can add another photo from here if you want. You can mirror it. We don't need to start meeting. We just need to record this video. A little trick here, if you have any program, such as I use OBS Studio, it's a free program, open source program for streaming video or recording on your device. Just open OBS Studio. You will see another video on my channel, how to use OBS Studio for streaming or recording. It's an amazing program, and it's a free source. You can add from here and press for window capture. You can change from here your window, whatever you want. What we need here, this video capture, and press OK. Whatever you selected here is on the top, it's a top layer. Whatever you select here, it's a back layer. Press for with this window capture and press arrow up. Now you can resize this from here and move whatever you want. And you can press Alt. It's a good trick here. You can press Alt and keep pressing and resize your window from one of the edges. Keep pressing Alt and resize it. As you see, if you press transaction, it will go to the other window here for our OBS Studio program to stream. It's a good trick here. Everyone, I think, needs this trick to change his background picture for streaming or explaining or learning on videos, YouTube videos or something, presentation video. You can play video here. You can play a game with your video on the screen. You don't need to change your background, and you don't need to make a setup for green screen or blue screen or magenta screen or something. Okay, our video is finished. Please subscribe. Go to our channel. You will see a lot of videos for how to make text like this. My channel depending on free programs. Nothing is paid. See you in next video. Bye.